Now, Dixie, what about a guide map? Gotta know where we're going.
Here it is. We wouldn't want to get lost, you know.
It looks like we're ready to start our wild adventure.
Oh, it feels like we're forgetting something. Something sort of important. Let me see. Sunscreen, camera, guide map. Oh, here we go. Well,
What is it?
it says, let the adventure begin.
What does that mean?
It means it's time to get started. So, on the count of 3, everybody say, let the adventure begin!